Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name's Mark here at Diesel Power Products. Today we're going to be talking about the full send transmission line replacement. If you have your factory transmission lines that are starting to leak, or if you've swapped out your transmission for an upgrade or even an upgraded transmission cooler, these are going to be the lines for you. Full Send Diesel has really made some high quality lines here, formed from a billet aluminum AN connection with a black braided line as well. These are a great option if you're just going to be replacing your transmission, or if you have some factory leaky lines. This is a great option for you as well. So just getting into the basics here with this two-line kit, you have your transmission connection with your AN adapter where you have your return and feed line. It's just a simple plug-in. We recommend that you go online and take a look at some AN torque specs just so you know exactly what the torque specs should be plugging this into your transmission. One requirement with you changing over to these full send lines is you do have to cut your factory transmission cooler connections. Some people are going to freak out over that. It is a very, very simple process. You are getting rid of your factory quick disconnect line there, which will require you to have a plumber's pipe cutter. You can find any of those at just your local hardware store. Really easy tool to use. Once you've acquired your cutting tool and you're ready to start cutting, you're going to locate your factory quick disconnect, and once you've removed that, you'll see a little hump on your factory transmission line that you're going to be cutting off right before that. From there, you're going to be grabbing your hardline adapter here that has a brass coupler inside. You're going to be going this fitting first over your transmission line with the brass coupler in there, and then you're going to finish it off with your AN adapter here. Once you start tightening this down, it'll start flaring out in order to get a proper seal there. You're not going to run into any sort of leaking issues as long as you don't over tighten this and snap the fitting itself. All right, guys, so running this setup versus your factory lines, major benefits that you're going to be running into is that these lines are very less likely to leak on you compared to the factory quick disconnects, as well as aid in cooling capabilities. With this being a little bit larger diameter hose than your factory hard lines, these are definitely going to aid in cooling capability. If you guys have any questions on this Full Send Diesel 2-line transmission kit or their 3-line kit, please don't hesitate to give us a shout. Whether you guys give us a phone call or reach out on the webpage, we're more than happy to answer any questions you have. For install instructions on this bad Larry, if you go on our website and scroll down below the product description, you'll see a link for installation instructions. That's going to give you specifics.